Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, combine 2 and 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2/3 cups baking cocoa, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. In a mixer bowl, mix 1 cup butter, 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 2/3 cups packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until creamy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Gradually beat in flour mixture. Stir in morsels. Drop by well-rounded teaspoon onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes until centers are set. Cool on baking sheets for 2 minutes. Remove to wire racks to cool completely. And there you have it, white chip chocolate cookies.